Hello everybody and friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today video is going to be focused on Remark holding stock, or we can say Mark. So in this video we are talking about its share prices, analysis, news, updates and other things about the stock and the company. So today's video is very important and informative. So first of all, if you are visiting our channel for first time, please subscribe our channel, also press bell icon for future update. Remark holding, it was one of the stock that we covered in our recent videos, and as this was the biggest one in terms of revenue, we thought let us look at them first, and after having done the analysis in them, we got to admit this is a pretty interesting company with lot of interesting plan for the future. They want to grow their business significantly and different ways that they want to achieve it. The Remark stock was trading at 0.94 US dollar with a positivity of 0.83%. The stock was negative in previous 5 days and also in monthly basis. So I ended the video. Thanks for watching it.